Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here, Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Delving into gold because people are asking me for analysis on it. I recently just started tracking it, and I'm going to tell you, I think that gold is kind of. I'm going to take a stab in the dark, maybe look like a complete utter ass, but I think it's basically in a channel and it's heading a little bit lower. That's just the way I see it. And I'm basing that off of U.S. elections. And of course, that could change at any time. Right now, the polls are showing that the Republicans are winning quite significantly. If that's the case, they should be able to put a curb on inflation. And we know that markets always discount things before they actually happen. So therefore, most likely, as we get closer and the polls are showing that there's going to be a Republican win, you got to be careful with short-term gold trading. So as it stands right now, and now here's the thing. I don't really know what you guys trade for. I mean, in other words, how many dollars. You know, this is a funny thing, too, is I see people that are analyzing gold and calling it pips. It's not bloody pips. It's dollars. Pips are for currencies. They're not. Gold and silver are dollars and cents. So there, when you start reading somebody that's doing freaking gold analysis and they're saying pips, that's a warning sign. That's a freaking warning sign. It's in dollars, not pips, you freaking morons. Every time I read that, I'm like, you got to be kidding me, right? You got some 22-year-old ass talking about pips in gold. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get crazy there, but it drives me bananas that it actually, you're trying to talk to people that are trading gold. You go, pips. I got your pips. You got no pips. You got dollars and cents. Wake up. Okay. Anyway, so where do we stand right now? Sorry. Right now we got resistance at 2,782.44, right up here. Right behind it is a massive resistance at 2,800. Just volatility calculation, 2,800. Not a round number. It's 2,800. Do round numbers exist in the market? Yes, but they don't exist every 20 pips. Okay? One day I may give a lesson on true round numbers because they do exist, but they're not, 126.50 is a round number. No, it's not. No, it's not. 126, the figure, is a round number. No, it's not. Unbelievable. Anyway. 2,800 is the level above that. Now, if it could break through that, okay, we're looking at around 128.35, 128.50. Now, of course, because we haven't been here, this is all brand new. All right. I'm basically just looking at volatility going, okay, 128.50. Then if it could cool back off again to the 127.82 level. So in other words, what we could do is something like this. In dollars, $2,800, we could go up to 2,835.50, come back down to 2,870, $2,782. You got to forgive me. I'm so used to working with currencies, so $2,782, and then basically establish itself in that range for the time being. I don't think that's the scenario. I think what the scenario is that the resistance that we have right now up here, all right, is a pretty strong resistance. I think that we may be able to slightly trade through it, go up to $2,786, maybe close to $2,790, and I think that what marketplace is coming back down into this range right here. Here's the warning sign. If we break $2,687 right now, it's tracking down to $2,616. This is all based off of, I don't like, I'm a technician, but I don't, I cannot not look at the fundamentals of the election. I can't. It's there. It's right in front of my face. So if it seems like the Republicans are going to win, they should be inflation hawks. Okay? They should look to curb this massive spending that's been occurring for the past 4 years. They should. I put that in quotes. Because they love sucking on, the teat of the American public. They definitely love that. So, but that's the idea behind it. So anyway, if you like what you see, and I'm sorry for the craziness, but if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any of my important rants. And remember always, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.